Freelancing in 2025 is bigger than ever. If you've ever wanted to be your own boss, work from anywhere, and make money doing something that you're passionate for, this video is for you. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can get started as a freelancer in 2025, even if you're a beginner starting from scratch. And stick around to the end, because we're going to show you the top freelancing niches that you can make the most money with in 2025. Let's get into it. First of all, freelancing is a very simple concept. You have a skill, someone needs your skill, and then they pay you for that skill. And if you've already clicked on this video, that means you're either interested in starting up your freelancing business, or you might already have your own one, but you're just stuck on what to do next. And trust us, we get it. With so many platforms, skills, and opportunities out there, it can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we've spent hours and hours of research learning exactly how we can show you the entire process, step by step. But before that, we want to show you why freelancing is so big in 2025 and how much potential there actually is for you. And also, if you're loving the content, we would love you could just smash that subscribe button so we can keep providing more valuable content for you all. Freelancing has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and in 2025, it's only going to keep growing. More and more companies are hiring freelancers instead of full-time employees because it saves them money and gives them access to find people from all over the world with the skills that they're after. For you, that means more opportunities and the ability to work with clients from all over the world. Some of the biggest advantages of freelancing include flexibility. This allows you to set your own schedule and choose the projects you want to work on. Unlimited earning potential. The more skilled and experienced you become, the more you can charge. And work from anywhere. You're not tied to a 9-to-5 office job. But here's the thing, not all freelancers make good money. The ones who succeed follow the right steps to build a profitable freelance business. And that's exactly what we're gonna cover now. Step number 1, choose your skill. The first thing that you need to do is to figure out what skill that you want to offer as a freelancer. And the great thing is, you don't have to be an expert to get started. Everyone starts somewhere. So ask yourself, what am I already good at? What do people often ask me for help with? And what skills do I want to learn that are in high demand? If you already have a skill, that's perfect. We'll show you all the steps you need to take to continue building your freelancing business. If you don't, there's no need to stress. With a bit of hard work and practice, you can learn a high income skill within months and potentially within a few weeks. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and YouTube have a ton of free or paid courses that you can get started with. Some of the best freelance friendly skills include video editing, copywriting, graphic design, web development, virtual assistants, and AI automation. A bit of a hot tip, pick something that you already have a bit of knowledge about or something that interests you. That way it'll allow you to stay motivated long term. Now that you have a skill, the next step is showing proof that you can actually do the work. And this is where most beginners get stuck because they think, how do I get work without experience? The solution? You have to create a portfolio. A portfolio is just a collection of work that showcases your abilities. If you're a video editor, you can just edit like 2 to 3 sample videos. If you're a copywriter, then write a few ad copies or even website pages. You could be a graphic designer, then you could create logos, social media posts, and even branding kits. You don't need to wait for a client to start working. You can create samples for free to show people what you can do. Some great places to host your portfolio include a Google Drive folder, a personal website, for example, Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, a portfolio site like Behance or Dribbble, and a LinkedIn page where you can create posts showcasing your work. Once you have your portfolio ready, you're already one step ahead of most beginners who struggle to land clients because they have nothing to show. Step number 3, where to offer your freelancing services. Now it's time to get in front of clients and start making some money. There are multiple ways to get freelancing clients, but as a beginner, the best way to do it is to start on a freelancing platform. Here are some of the best freelance websites in 2025. Upwork. It's one of the biggest platforms where clients post jobs and freelancers submit proposals. Fiverr. Instead of applying for jobs, you create a gig and buyers can come to you. Freelancer.com. It is a bit similar to Upwork, but usually it has a lower competition for new freelancers. People per hour. This is great for freelancers that are offering hourly based services. Top Tower, which is more for experienced freelancers who want to work with high-end clients. And Contra. It's more of a newer platform that's more modern and it takes fewer fees. Which one should you choose? The easiest advice would be to tell you to go jump on one of the biggest platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, but Even though they've got a lot of clients that are looking for their services, it is also highly competitive. There are freelancers from all over the world, including both developed and developing countries, who are willing to work for significantly lower rates, making it harder to get consistent projects. So for starting out, we'd say the best platform would be people per hour. Now, while these freelancing platforms are great to start, the real money and the long-term success comes from starting your own business without having to rely on any platform. This is known as cold outreach. Instead of waiting for clients to come to you, you're actively reaching out to businesses and individuals who could probably use your services. This could be through all different social media platforms like LinkedIn, where you can actually personally connect with business owners. Instagram and TikTok, you can DM content creators and brands who might need your services. Even Facebook groups. Join groups where business owners hang out and offer value. Job boards. Look for companies that are hiring for your skill and offering your services as a freelancer. Google and local businesses. Research businesses that don't have a strong online presence and reach out to them. When reaching out, don't just say, "Hey, I'm a freelancer, do you need my help?" Clients get messages like that all the time. Make it personal, make it valuable, and just get it straight to the point. A perfect example cold DM for a video editor could be, "Hey, I love the content you're creating on TikTok. Your last video was super engaging. I noticed that you're growing fast. Have you ever thought about outsourcing video editing to save time? I'm a video editor who specializes in short form content. I'd love to edit one of your videos for free just to show you what I can do. If you like it, we can talk about working together. Does that sound good?" This works because it shows that you've done your research, it offers value up front, and it just keeps it casual. Once you land a client, over-deliver and ask them for referrals. If you do good work for people straight up, they're definitely going to refer you to others. Step number 4, create an optimized profile. Once you've chosen your platform, you need to set up your profile in a way that attracts clients. Think of your profile as a mini sales page. You need to convince the clients that you're the right person for the job. When it comes to optimizing your profile, the main things you need to focus on is getting a good profile picture. Use a clear professional photo when you're smiling. Clients trust real people. For platforms like Fiverr, it's important that your cover page on a task is eye-catching and people will click on it. Like a YouTube thumbnail, for example. That is one of the most important things for getting people to click on the video. Same goes for Fiverr. Headline. Keep it short and benefit driven. Instead of freelance video editor, say, "I help brands create eye-catching video content that engages and convert." Bio and description. Don't just talk about yourself. Explain how you help clients and why they should hire you. Skills and portfolio. Add skills that are relevant to you and showcase your good work. Pricing. Start with a competitive pricing to gain your first clients. But as you improve your skills and gain your experience, that's where you can increase your rates. Deliver great work and get reviews. Once you land your first clients, you should be focusing on over-delivering so you get some positive reviews and repeat business. Happy clients equals more money, more referrals, and a steady income. But you need to make sure that you communicate clearly and professionally, deliver work before the deadline, provide high quality results, and also ask for a testimonial or review after the successful project. If you do this consistently, you'll build a strong reputation and clients will start coming to you instead of you having to chase them. Top freelancing niches in 2025. Before we wrap up, let's go over some of the highest paying freelancing niches in 2025. Number 1. AI automation. AI is changing the way businesses operate, and companies need specialists who can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, and implement AI tools. Other services that are in demand include AI chatbots and automation such as ChatGPT, Zapier, Make, and OpenAI. You've also got AI generated content and marketing automation. And the last one is AI data analysis for businesses. Why it's hot? Businesses want to save time and cut costs by using AI tools. But the thing is, they don't know how to implement them. If you can do this, then you'll be in high demand. Number 2 is video editing and short form content creation. Social media heavily favors video content, and brands need short, engaging videos to grab attention. Some of the services that are in demand include TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels editing, captioning and motion graphics for social media, and repurposing long-form content into viral short clips. Why it's hot? People scroll through thousands of videos every single day. Businesses need editors who can make their content stand out and drive engagement. Number 3 is copywriting and sales funnels. Businesses need high converting copy for ads, websites, emails, and even landing pages. If you know how to write words that gets people to buy, you can make some serious money. Some of the services that are in demand include Facebook and YouTube ad copywriting, email marketing sequences, high converting sales pages and landing pages, and product descriptions and SEO blog writing. Why it's hot? You see, the thing is, every successful business needs to know how to sell. A great copywriter can make a business millions. That's why they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Number 4 is web development and user interface design. As businesses move online, they need websites that can convert. Every business needs a website, but not just any website. A website that converts visitors into customers. Some of the in-demand services include website design through WordPress, Shopify, or Webflow. You've also got e-commerce store setups. This can also be through Shopify. You've got mobile app user interface design and also custom web applications. Why it's hot? The online economy is growing fast. Businesses cannot afford to have a bad website. If you can create appealing and high converting sites, then you can even charge premium prices. Number 5 is social media management and marketing. Running ads and managing content is in high demand. Businesses know they need to be on social media, but they don't have the time to post consistently and engage with their audience. Some of the services that are high in demand include managing TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook pages, content planning and scheduling, running Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube ads, and influencer marketing and brand collaborations. Why it's hot? Social media is the modern day billboard. Businesses need social media managers to stay relevant and grow online. And there you have it, guys. This is the broad overview that you need to become a freelancer in 2025. Like we said earlier, freelancing in 2025 is bigger than ever. And if you take the right steps, you can turn your skills into a full-time income. So which freelancing skill are you thinking of starting with? Let us know down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and put the notifications on so you don't miss any of our future videos. We'll see you in the next one, guys.